Hi friends, welcome back again to the channel Anything for Studies. Today we will be learning a very important shortcut for finding the squares of any number. This video will also be very interesting. Watch the video till the end so that you can able to take or find the squares of a number from 1 to 10,000. You heard it right and you have seen it right, friends. Actually we are today going to find or going to learn the trick for finding the square of a number which is from 1 and 10,000, that is starting from 2 to 999 and as well 9999 and as well 10,000. The square of 10,000, just add as many zeros as there. This is the square of 10,000. But what about this? To solve this you should learn this shortcut trick. Let's start the show. Let's take the first example as the square of 12. I need to find the square of the given number 12. Okay, the first part is just split the numbers. 12, actually 12 is made up of a 2-digit number. I am going to divide the number as 1 and 2. Okay, see, I will put a comma in between them, so the numbers will be two numbers, 1 and 2. I have divided the numbers into two single-digit numbers and I need to take the square of this. Okay, next step is write the squares of the parts on the same side. Here 1 is on the left side, the square of 1 is 0, 1. I will write it on the left side. The square of 2 is 4. I will write as 0, 4 to the right side. Here you should remember one thing: if you are going to take the square of a single digit number, then the square should be written in 2 digits. This is very important. Take here example. Suppose you are going to take the square of 1, 2, 3. Okay, these three numbers will give you the square as again the single digit number. The 1 square will be 1, 2 square will be 4, 3 square will be 9. But while using this method, we are not going to write it simply as 1, 4 and 9. We are going to convert this number into 2-digit number, or we are going to write it in 2 digits. Just how to make it 2 digits? Add 0 to the left. It will not change the value, but it will convert into 2 digits. Okay, here also I am getting 2 square as a single digit number, so I have changed it into 2-digit number. Okay, this is the square of 1 and this is the square of 2. The next step is, there are two parts, this is left and this is right. You are going to see the right part. First, a number is given, you have made it into two parts. There will be one left part and one right part. Then you are going to concentrate on the right part. How many digits is this right part is made up of? This right part is made up of only single digit, so you are going to leave a single digit here. Okay, the two parts are made up of single digits, left part also, right part also. We are not going to look at the left part, we are only interested in number of digits the right part consists of. Here the right part is made up of single digit, so you should leave a single digit or a single place. Then the final step is just take the product of the parts. The parts now remaining will be 1, 2 and the square will be taken as 2. These are the three different numbers, and what we are going to do, we are going to multiply these three numbers and we are going to write this here after leaving the number of places required. Okay, hope you are understanding. If you are not getting this, the next example or next 3 examples will also be on the similar basis. You will understand them later. Now what I am going to write here is the product of these three numbers. The product here is 1 into 2 will be 2, 2 into 2 will be 4. Just write it here. The answer is 144. You have done with the question. because you are ready with your answer, which is 144. Let's take another example. The next example will also be a simple number, that is 13 square. Again, make it into two parts. The right part, how many digits it is made up of? The right part is made up of 1 digit. Left part, we have to bother nothing about how many digits does it contain. Just now we are going to take the squares. The square of 1 is 1. The square of 3 is 9. Again, this will be last time I will be telling. Just if you concentrate or keep it in mind, if you are taking the square of a number, if the answer is also coming as a single digit, then you should write it in a 2 digit. That means if a single digit number square is written as a 2 digit. Okay. Now the remaining is multiply the parts. The parts are 1, 3 and 2. The square is also taken as a part. Okay, 1 into 3 into 2. 1 into 3 will be 3, 3 to the 6. How many places I have to leave here? See, the right part is made up of 1 digit. So I have to leave 1 digit here. Now 3 to the 6. The answer will be 169. These two examples I have explained a little slowly. Now let us speed up. Okay, now again two parts. This will be 1 square will be 1, 4 square will be 16. Here the answer itself is coming in 2 digits, so nothing to bother whether we have to take a 0 or not. What we need, if we are taking a square of a single digit, it must be in 2 digits. If it is not in 2 digits, just convert it into 2 digits. Okay, now again right part, how many digits does it contain? The right part contains single digit, therefore you have to leave a single digit. Now take the parts and multiply them. You can multiply directly, like here 1 into 4 will be 4, 4 to the 8. No need to write this also. Okay, directly I am getting the answer. 1 4s are 4, 4 to the 8. Just write it here. The answer is 196. Next example will be 16 square. 0 1, here 36. Leave 1 plus. 6 1s are 6 to the 12. The answer is 256. Next and final on the basic number 19 square. 19, 0 1 here, 9 9s are 81 here. Leave 1 place. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Here 1, 18 2s are 36 is the answer. These are right answers because I know the squares from 11 to 20. Okay, now let us make it some difficult or some greater numbers. Hope you have understood the method. Now this method you can apply to any number. Okay friends, let us see the square of 29. 29 square again, 2 2s are 4, 9 9s are 81, leave 1 place, 9 2s are 18, 2s are 36, this is 1, 14, 8, 841 is the answer of 29 square. You can check it. (29 into 29), 29 into 29. See friends, 841. The answer is correct. Okay, let us take some more examples. 48 square. Again 4 square 16, 8 square 64, 8 4s are 32 into 2, leave 1 place, 64, 4, 10, 13, 2304 is the answer. Let us check them. See friends, the answer is correct. 48 square is 2304. Okay, now 67 square. 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49, leave 1 place, 6 7s are 42 into 2, 84. Just you can get your answer within seconds. 4489 is the answer. I will check it. Okay, see 4489. The answer is correct. The final 2-digit number is 96 square. Final 2-digit number is 96. We have to take the square of it. 9 9 is 81, 6 6 is 36. Leave one place. 9 6 is 54. 54 into 2, 54, 108. 6 8 9 10 11. This is 2 and this will be 9216. The square of 96 is 9216. See friends, 96 into 96 will give you 9216. Okay, this was the last example of a 2-digit number. Now we are moving to 3-digit number. After that we will be seeing the 4-digit numbers also. Okay, till then you can subscribe to my channel. If you are getting the method, you can like and share the videos to your relatives or your friends, and do comment also, because it will let me improve the method of teaching or the method of explaining. Because of you I can also develop my skills. Okay, let us start with the 3-digit number. The smallest 3-digit number you know is 100. No need to take the square, because just add the same number of zeros, you will be ready with the square. The square of 100 is 10,000. Okay, the next number is 101. It is also simple, and it is also will be helpful for us to understand the method of solving the 3-digit number. The question is, find the square of 101. Okay, here 101 square can be solved with the help of 2 methods. What we have to do, the first step we know, we are going to separate the numbers. Here the number of digits is 3. You cannot exactly divide it into 2 parts. You can either divide it into 1 2 or 2 1. That means you are going to make it as 1-digit number and another will be 2-digit number. Or you can make first part as a 2-digit number and the second part as a 1-digit number. Therefore, in case of 3-digit numbers, we can solve with 2 methods. But in case of 2-digit numbers, you can solve with a single method. In case of 3-digit number, you can solve with 2 methods. Let us take the first method. First method is, I am taking the 10 and 1. The parts of 101 that I am dividing it into are 10 and 1, and the 2 will also be there in the calculation. And here I will be taking 01 as a 2-digit number and 1 as a single-digit number. Okay, now the right part, 2 parts, there are left and right part. The right part, it has 1 digit. Here the right part, it has 2 digits. This is very important, friends. The right part will tell you how many digits you have to leave before writing the answer. Okay, no issues. Now 10 square is 100. I will write here. Now I am getting 1 square as 1. Again I am telling you, if you are taking the square of a single digit number, just convert it into 2 digits. 1 is not written as simply 1, you should write it as 01. This 100 has came from 10 and this 01 has came from 1. Next, the right, it has 1 digit, therefore leave 1 digit. Now the parts, you have to multiply this. 10 into 1 is 10, 10 to the will be 20. Here you should write is 20. Now add them up, you will get 10201 as the square of the number 101. Let us check by this method also whether we get the same result or different. The method again will be the same. No change in the method. Just what the change you are seeing here is, now the right digit has, the right part has 2 digits. Here the right part, 2 parts, here also 2 parts. Here the left part had 2 digits, but here the right part has 2 digits. Okay, again here the parts are 1, 0, 1 and 2. Here it was 10, 1, 2. Here 1, 1, 2. Take the square of 1, write it as 01. Another important thing, friends, see what I said, if you are taking a square of a single digit number, if you are taking a square of a single digit number, you should write it in 2 digits. The answer be in 2 digits. Suppose if you take the square of 4, the answer itself will come as a 16. Then no need to worry there. But in case of numbers 1, 2 and 3, if you take the square, the answer will be also be in single digit. But if the digit is single digit number, you should write in 2 digits. If the number is 2 digit number, see, here is the case where the number is made up of 2 digit. Actually 0 will do nothing to the value of 1, but in this method we are going to consider this as a 2 digit number, because we cannot neglect this 0 as it is between 1 and 1. Okay, here we are taking the square of a 2 digit number. The answer will be coming in 4 digits. This is very, very important. If you are taking the square of a single digit, you should write in 2 digits. If you are taking the square of 2 digits, you should write in 4 digits. Again, the square of 1 is 1. Then you should not simply write it as 1. You should add 3 zeros before the 1 and you should write here. Okay, I am going to leave 4 places because whatever may be the answer, I have to write it in 4 digits. 1 square is 1, remaining 3 digits will be taken as 0. Now how many places I have to leave? See, the right part is 0, 1, it has 2 digits, therefore you should leave 2 places. Next step is just take the product of the parts. The parts here are 1, 1 and 2. The square will also become a part while taking the product. 1 into 1 will be 1, 1 2 is a 2. See, compare the answers from both the methods, you will find it the same. 10201, 10201. Okay, this is the basic method. Now you can solve any 3 digit number using this method. You can solve starting from 101 to 999. Let us take some more examples. From here onwards, I will be checking the answers with the help of mobile phone. You can also check it, no worries. Let's begin with a different number 212 square. See friends, here you can take 21 as one part, 2 as second part, but it will be not helpful for 21 because you don't know the square of 21. If you know it, then it is fine, but if you don't know the square of 21, then simply make the parts as 2 and 12, because you know the square of 12 is 144. The square of 12 is 144. If you even don't know the square of 12, then you can use either of the method, because I know the squares from 1 to 20. It is basics. You should also know, and everyone knows the squares. By guarantee, I may say everyone will know the squares of 1 to 10, but 11 to 20 is also preferable. You should by heart it. Okay, now let us solve it. Again, single digit number 4, write it in 2 digits. Now we are taking the square of a 2 digit number, then I have to leave 4 spaces. Okay, now the right part is made up of 2 digits. The right part is made up of 2 digits, therefore leave 2 digits. The parts will be 2, 12, 2. Here the square will also be taken as a part when you are taking the product. Now the square of 12 will come as 144, right from the extreme right, 144. The remaining will be taken as 0. Okay, now multiply these three terms. 12 to the 24, 24 into 2 will be 48. 4 4, in between them 9 is coming. Interesting answer. Check the answer. 212 into 212. The answer is correct. 44944. Let's take another example. 482. Here friends, you may take 48, you may take 48 or you may take 82. In either of the method you have to calculate the square of the bigger number. So here any way you split them, you should at least solve them twice. Okay, the square, I need this. I will prefer to take 48 2 and 2 because 48 into 2 will be easier for multiplication. 82 into 4, it will be somewhat difficult. If you take the parts as 4 and 82, 4 into 82 into 2, the product will be some lengthy. So I have taken 48 and 2 and 2, but I don't know the square of 48, so I need to find that first. Here the left part is made up of 2 digits, right part is made up of single digit. Now 48 square, I will take it here separately. I know 4 4 is 16, 8 8 is 64, 4 8 is 32 and 2 64, 10 6 6 12 13, 2304 is the square of 48. I will write it here. Now the square of 2 is 4, write it as a 2-digit number 04. Now the right part, it consists of 1 digit, so leave 1 digit. Now multiply the parts, take the product of the parts. 48 into 2 is 96, 96 into 2 will be 192. I am going to write it here, 192. This is 4, this is 2, 13, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4. Interesting answers are always coming while solving the examples. Nice number. This is also a fancy number. 482 into 482. See friends, 232324. Okay, let's try some more examples. Two, 4. Now let us take 7, 1, 8. Square. Now it is preferable to make the parts as 7, 18 and 2, because if you take 71 into 8, you have to find the square of 71. So no need to do this. Again, it is a 2-digit number and this is a single digit number. The right part here has 2 digits. Left part, we need not bother about it. Now take the square of 7, it will be 49. 18 square is 324. You have to write in 2 digits, 4. Let us check it whether 18 square is actually 324, 1, 64, 8 to the 16, 4, yes, it is 324. See here, I am getting a 3-digit number, but I have to write it in 4 digits. Therefore, I have added this 0. This is important. Now, right part consists of 2 digits. Therefore, leave 2 digits. Now just take the multiplication of the parts. 18 to the 36. 18 to the 36 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 3 are 21. 25. Here you will get 252 as the product of the parts. In the parts, the square will be taken as a part. 24, 55, 51, 51, 55, 24. 718 into 718. Yes, of course the answer is correct. 51, 55, 24. You should practice this method again and again, so this method will be handy for you for use. Otherwise, what you have to do, if suppose this method is not available, the conventional method consists of how many multiplications? Let us see. This number you should multiply 3 times. This number you should multiply it again 3 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means 9 times you have to multiply them, and after that you are going to add it. Here what we are doing, we are just doing 2, or just writing the 2 numbers and adding it once. Here you have to do the same process 9 times. So this method is helpful. If you are school students and if the question is asked as a 69 square, then you should solve by conventional method, because for that method only you will get your marks. You may say you know the shortcut trick and I am going to directly write the answer. You will not get the marks for writing this as a direct method. This will be helpful to know the answers, and this will be helpful for the people who are going to appear for the entrance exams or some government jobs or some competitive exams. Those who are participating there, they will take much advantage of this method. Okay, 718 is also done. Let us take another 2 examples of 3-digit number. 825. 825 square. Now again, make it parts. You will prefer, and I will prefer, to make it as 825. See, 825 and 2 will be the parts. Now the square of 8 will be 64. Now the square of 25, you should write it in 4 digits. You know the square of 25 is 625. If you don't know how to take the square of a number ending with 5, hope I will complete this method also in this video only. Hope so. Okay, here the answer is coming as a 3-digit, but you should write it in 4 digits. As you are taking the square of a 2-digit number, you should write it in 4 digits. Again, the right part consists of 2 digits, leave 2 digits. Now multiply them. 25 into 2 will be 50. 8 5s are 40. 40 means 400. See, 25 2s are 50. You have to multiply it with 8. 8 5s are 40. And another 0 is remaining here, so I am taking the 400. Now add them. 25, 6, here 0, 8, 6, 8, 0, 6, 2, 5 is the answer. You can solve this by another method, that is by taking the square of 82 and 83 and just writing the 25 as the last digit. I will explain this method also. Those who don't know this method, the number which is ending from 5, can also learn this method also. See friends, the answer 825 into 825 is 680625. Now the final example, I am not going to just explain. I am not going to explain, just I am going to write it. 986 square. Lengthy number. Multiplication you should also do, and you should also get the square of 86. Okay, 86, 64, 36, 48, 96, 6, 9, 3, 7, 86 coming as 7396. 9 is coming as 81. Now leave 2 digits. Again take the product. 86 into 2, 172 into 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 5 9 6 50, 9 7 63, 64, 9 1 is 9, 15 48, 15 48. Add them up: 6 9 11 12 7 9 7 2 1 9 6. Let's check it. 986 into 986. Yes friends, the answer is correct. That means this method is useful. And also you can check the time. You are getting the answers within 10 to 15 seconds. If you are able to add the numbers quickly, you should be able to add the numbers quickly. Any method or any multiplication or any operation in the mathematics can be converted into addition and subtraction. Okay, you should be fast in these two methods. You should be fast in addition as well as in subtraction. After this we will be seeing a 4-digit number. Friends, let us start with a 4-digit number. Again, the first 4-digit number or the smallest 4-digit number is 1 followed with 3 zeros. You need not to calculate this, so I am taking 1001 as the first number for understanding the method. Here also we are going to apply the same principle. What we are going to do? We are just dividing the number. Here we can divide into two parts, 10 and 1, because it consists of 4 digits, therefore the division will be two parts. Okay, now the square of 10 will be 100, and here we are taking the square of a 2-digit number, therefore we have to write it in a 4 digits, and the right part consists of 2 digits. The parts are 10, 1 and 2. The product will be taken of these three numbers. Right part has 2 digits, therefore leave 2 digits. The rest will be coming soon. Okay, 1 square is 1. You have to write 3 zeros. Then here we are going to take the product of the parts. 10 into 1 will be 10 and 10 to the 20. The answer will be 100, 200, again 1. Let us check. Yeah, it's recording. 1001 into 1001. See, the answer is same, 100, 200, 1. Hope you understood the method. In case of 3-digit methods, or in case of the method of a 3-digit, you had 2 different methods or 2 different ways to solve this. But in case of 4 digits or in case of 2 digits, you will have only one method, that is splitting it into exact half. That is more preferable. Next number let us take as 1 2 3 4 square. The square of 1 2 3 4. Again take the square of 12, it will be 144. Right part has 2 digits, therefore we should write it in 4 digits, and we have to leave 2 digits. Here the answer will be coming. The parts will be 12, 34 and 2. The product you should write here. Well, square of 34. 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24, 6 5 11. 1156 is the square of 34. Multiplication or the product of these three numbers. 32 into 2, clearly 68. 34 into 2 is 68, and you have to multiply by 12. 12 8s are 96, 12 6 is 72, 81, 816. After leaving 2 digits we are going to write it 2756. From here no carry-ons, and after that the answer will be 1522756. let's check it. 1234 into 1234. see the answer. See, if without this method you should have done 16 calculations, but with the help of 2 calculations or 3 calculations only we are getting the answer. Friends, hope you are getting this. This will be very helpful to your competitive exams. So my request is to do subscribe this channel, so I may be helpful with that, because with the more subscriptions I may be able to produce more videos, so that I will also be get motivated and I will also get the benefit from you. Okay, no worries. If you want to subscribe, you will subscribe, and if you don't want to, don't worry about the subscription. Just it's my request. Okay, let's take the next number 1 2 3 4. Now let us start with the digit 3. 3 7 1 5 square. Okay, 37 square you should calculate. 15 square, you know the square of 15 as 225. Let's find out the square of 37. 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49, 7 3s are 21, 42, 9, 6, 13. 1369 will be the square of 37, and the square of 15 should be written in 4 digits, therefore 0 2 2 5. Okay, now the product of 37 into 15 into 2. 15 2s are 30, therefore 37 into 30. Here it will be 0, 7 3s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. The answer will be leaving 2 digits 1100. Here you should write it leaving 2 digits, because the right part is made up of 2 digits. After practicing you need not write it cross, because you can write the answer directly as I have written here. I have not used the cross symbol. You need not use this. After practicing you can directly write it. Now let us take the answer. Here onwards there is no carry on. From this the carry on started 6 7 8 1 3 8 0 0 2 2 5. Let's check the answer. Three 7 1 5 into 3 7 1 5. Any correction, friends? Sorry, here it is actually 1110. By mistake I have taken 1100. It is actually 111, therefore here will be 1. See, the answer is correct. 13 801 225. The product of 37 15 and 37 15. Let us take some more examples. Okay, 45 62 square. Again you have to find the square of 45. The square of 45 can be calculated as the next number of 4 is 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 25 is the square of 45. Now you need to find the square of 62. 6 is 36, 2 2s are 0 4, 6 2s are 12, 2s are 24, 3 8 4 is the square of 62. It is coming in 4 digits, then no need to worry. Now you have to take the product of these three parts, 45, 62 and 2. 2 into 45 will be 90 into 62. 0, 9 2s are 18, 9 6 are 54, 55. 55, 80, leaving 2 digits to the right. 44, 8, 11, 11, 8, 20, 8, 11, 8, 44. Let's check. 4, 5, 6, 2 into 4, 5, 6, 2. Friends, the answer is correct. 20, 8, 11, 8, 44. Let's take another example. This will be the last example. After this, we will be seeing some specific shortcuts of squares. Now let us take a bigger number starting with 9, 2, 8, 1. Okay, the square of this we need to find out. We have to find the two numbers separately. The square of 92, 9 9s are 81, 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, 2s are 36, 8 4 6 4. 8464 is the square of 92. Now let us find out the square of 81. 81, 8 8s are 64, 0 1, 8 1s are 8 2s are 16, 6 5 6 1. Here it is coming at 4 digits, coming as 4 digits. No need to worry, directly you can write. Now you have to leave 2 digits, but the multiplication you require is huge. 92, 81 and 2. Okay, see 81 into 2 you will get as 162, into you have to multiply by 92. 2 times 162 is 324. Then 9 2s are 18, 9 6 are 54, 55, 9 1s are 9 and 5 14, 4 10, 9 14, 904, leaving 2 digits. 14904. Add them up. Hope the answer is right. If it is not, we have to check where we have done the mistake. Hopefully the answer is right. 86136,961. Okay friends, hope you have enjoyed the video and you have understood the method and also enjoyed this method. So please do subscribe and share the videos as much as possible, and you can tell me anything about the video or anything about the method, or if you have any method you can also tell me so that I can learn the method from you. Thank you. I'm going to stop here for this video. There are some more tricks which will be coming continuously on this channel. So for that sake, press the notification icon. So as soon as the video is uploaded, you will get the notification and you will able to see it at first. Thank you friends. Take care.